let's see now the best game when you have double pin, meaning both hands, one on each knee, pinning the legs down, and you clear the way walking around. Go ahead. Go slow. Stop there as you go. Keep going. 9 o'clock. Stop. 9 o'clock means he's right across. Once he's there, this arm stays. Don't let go of the arm to get the body. Stays. Near knee down. Far knee down. Belly button on belly button. Then you let go of the arm. Swim your arm over and block the hip with the other arm. Let's do it again. Double pin. 9 o'clock. Keep the arm. Near knee down. Far knee down. Belly button, belly button. Switch arms. 1 and 2. One more time. Double pin. 9 o'clock. Keep the arm. Near knee down. Far knee down. Belly button, belly button. Switch arms. 1 and 2.